As an industrial leader of metrology and good stewards to society, we here at Mitutoyo America have updated our design to align with new safety regulations regarding battery access. In this video, we will walk you through how these updates apply to our best-selling tool, the 500-196 model 6-inch digital caliper, which now includes a key tool for battery installation. Begin by using the key tool to unlock the battery compartment. Next, we will open the battery that comes with the caliper. To meet current safety standards, the battery packaging has been strengthened. We recommend using a pair of scissors to safely open the sealed battery pouch. Once the battery is removed from the packaging, install the battery as shown into the caliper, ensuring correct polarity. Then, simply re-secure the cover until you hear a soft click and you are done. Don't forget that you must press the origin button to set the tool on startup. Built to meet today's standards, designed to serve tomorrow's needs.